Here I will be explaining how to follow my blogspot. There is three lines on right hand corner. You have to click that and click the follow. You can see here, and when you press this follow, it will take you to another link. Just follow, confirm, follow, just follow, and done. And in this blogspot, what you have is recipe index, starting with vegetarian recipe, all beautiful vegetarian, colorful, healthy recipes grown in India, like मूलो साग भाजा, मेथी साग, मूंग दाल भाजा, পুঁই শাক ঘন্ট, কলার কোফতা কারি নিরামিষ, পটলের দোলমা, বেগুন শুক্কা নারকেল দিয়ে, সোয়া চানা ডাল নিরামিষ, ভেজ কোফতা কারি, কুমড়া শাক সরষে নারকেল গোবি मंचूरियन, साबूदाना पुलाव during व्रत का टाइम, Szechuan veg fried rice, vajakai porwell, and breakfast we have got upma, ghugni, yellow peas, stuffed kachori with fresh green peas, pulo, then pesarattu, tomato raw, peanut curd, chutney, lot of stuffs. And third is, you can see there is different section on non-vegetarian all together in the down. So here we started with chicken, tandoori chicken, methi chicken, tamka chicken, chili chicken, Bengali, and other language also, chicken biryani, and it can be converted into your language of your favorite language, whatever is your mother tongue. Then you have got eggs, then cutting and cleaning of the fish, how to do the cleaning and cutting of fish yourself at home. And now or in the recipe index there is Republic Day recipe. First recipe is already posted yesterday, so this is Republic Day first recipe, and you can see political, this is not a political website. Here I will talk purely on recipes, so I've given that detail, and the first recipe is already come. Then we have got third, this thing in Sankranti, special pithe, what we have already taken care or eaten or learned during this Sankranti festival, 14th January. So here recipe is all given in detail with recipe, everything in detail in writing as well as videos. And here the last one is, I am pressing dessert. The dessert I have completed very small portion of it. That is only nariyal naru, basically coconut naru and gajar ka halwa. There are two recipes only I have covered. I'll give more recipes, calling the chef from the hotels, and they will show you some recipes. But we have to organize some appointment with this thing, and then we'll get it in front of you. Okay, so that's all. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Jayasree Kadai Katha, and waiting bye. Thank you.